Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am Sheriff Bananas, your fruit lord extraordinaire. Today we are actually going to be checking out a makeup product. I wanted to do a tutorial on how to use this originally, but I think it's going to end up to be more like a review. The product in question today is Makeup Revolution's Creator Revolution Bleach Brow Pomade. So the thing about this is that I tried it once briefly while I was live on stream, and I didn't have very good results. So what I was going to do was find a review or tutorial on it and see if I'm using it wrong or if I could do something better. Unfortunately, I spent about half an hour trying to find any kind of tutorial or review, and I didn't find much. Eventually, I did find one girl who was using it. She also didn't have as much luck as I did, even. So there was that. I even went as far as to try and dig around on like social media to try and see if there was anything I could find. I did find that on Makeup Revolution's TikTok page, they had a video of it, but the comments were quite scathing because they didn't use the product in the video. It was just a lot of this shit. They like showed the product and then rubbed a brush in it, and nobody liked that. Nobody liked that at all. So today we're going to be trying the product. The other girl that I saw that did any kind of review on this, she tried it and she attributed it not working to the fact that she had darker eyebrows, and even mentioned in the video like, oh, you might have better luck with this if you have blonde eyebrows. I am naturally blonde. I'm a little bit darker than the shade that I'm lightened to. I'm like an ashy blonde. And my eyebrows are pretty light. I'm currently not wearing any eyebrow makeup. The only makeup that I'm wearing on my face is Bare Minerals Original Loose Powder, eyeshadow, mascara, and eyeliner on. So we're going to give this a shot, and you're gonna see in real time how it works. Alright, as you can see, I am not wearing anything on my eyebrows. This is my natural eyebrow hair. I haven't even plucked very well recently. Ooh, don't look at me. But we're going to start the application. So, as you can tell, I've used this once before. But in the applicator, you have a spoolie and a little soft brush that is kind of akin to like a really cheap eyebrow brush. Mind you, this product was only about, I don't know, like $7 at Ulta, I think. Something like that was what I paid for it. I know you can get it cheaper at drugstores, I think. But when I saw it on the shelf, I immediately was intrigued. I've always wanted to, bleach my eyebrows. So I figured, hey, I might as well give this a shot. And at Ulta, like, if a product doesn't work for you, you don't like it, you got 30 days to return that shit. So keep your receipt. Or what I do, I just have them email it to me, and that way I can just, like, show up and be like, this product sucks, and they're like, okay, cool. And it doesn't matter if you've used it or not, they'll still take it back. So hot tip for the ladies out there or anyone else who buys makeup. As you can see here, my light's kind of blasted. I'm sorry, my focus isn't working that great, but I figure you kind of take this brush and just sort of dip it in there. It does come off onto the brush more than you would expect it to, because it's kind of like a liquidier pomade, like it's silky. We're going to try it with just this brush first on this eyebrow, and then on the other eyebrow we're going to use just the spoolie, and then I'll try and adjust to see if I can make it look any better. Okay, so we're going in. And mind you, I have pretty light eyebrow hair. I darken my eyebrows every day because my eyebrows look kind of jacked otherwise. I have yet to find like a brow shade that is light enough to match my eyebrows even, so everything I put on looks darker. Usually, this is not going great. I'm sure if I used another brush for application, this would probably work a lot better as far as getting it on goes. Ugh. So you can already kind of tell it's like clumpy. It's clumpy, but like not like mascara clumpy. It's just kind of like, I don't know, not pulling its weight around the shop, if you know what I'm saying. I don't expect you to know what I'm saying. I don't even know what I'm saying, but that's okay. So, yeah. I'm gonna try and, like, dig in and get a little bit more product on here, because this is not really covering very well. It kind of looks like a child painted my eyebrows with Elmer's glue. That's not really what people want in a makeup look. And I'm not the best at doing makeup, let's be real, but I'm proficient, I'd say. I can do most things. I'm also an artist, so like if I decide to do some shit, I'll fucking do it. You can see for yourself, this is not working very well, and I'm, you know, putting this on pretty liberally. Liberally, is that even the right word? I don't know what I'm saying. Don't listen to me. And I'm no expert in makeup, but this is kind of disgusting. All right, so we've got this eyebrow on, and that was just using the thin brush that they... Just focus. You son of a... That is just using this thin little brush that they have provided. Doesn't work great with that brush. I'll touch it up in a minute. We'll see how that goes. But for now, we're gonna try and use the spoolie on the other brow to see how far we get with that. And mind you, my hair is bleached, right? So I figured this would be a really good way to compare, like to see, like, does this actually give you a bleached brow look? Because my hair is bleached, so you can very clearly see the contrast between my eyebrows and my hair as it is. And if my eyebrows match my hair, then we know we've achieved a pretty decent bleached brow look. See, with the spoolie, I can already tell this is going a lot better. But oh my god, okay. We're still going. I don't even know if I'm getting flattering angles with my camera like this. I moved my camera for this video, so if I look like a goblin, I apologize. We're already getting better results. I feel like I need to kind of get more product in on this. One thing's for sure, Makeup Revolution probably not gonna like me after this video, and that's fine. As you can see, I have achieved getting more on this eyebrow than I did with the other one. I think the spoolie first and like immediately, like dipping with the spoolie and applying with the spoolie will achieve a better result. But now I want to go in. I just looked at myself in my monitor. Whoa. Alright, if that doesn't say something, I don't know what does. I'm gonna go in and start trying to clean this up and try to make this look doable, per se. So let's start with the, let's start with cleaning up this. The first thing I notice about this when I'm going in to try and clean up what I just did is that it's white. It looks like, in the package, it looks like an off-white, but it is very much fucking clown makeup white. And the texture of this makeup is kind of akin to face paint as well, to be completely honest with you. So the first thing I notice is it's like white, like white. So I'm super pale and you can still see it. It's like having a concealer, like a white concealer on. So you're gonna have to clean it up if you put it on, period, I think, unless you have like a perfect hand, which, you know, if you do, God bless. But there's like parts of this that it's just like, that just looks jacked, dude. That looks jacked. Clean up this side a little bit. I'm not even gonna touch up my makeup around my eyes because whatever. I'm trying not to swear because apparently YouTube's like being a little piss baby about swearing now, so that's cool. Okay, so I cleaned up both sides around with a Q-tip. I really want to go in and try and fix the side that I did with the liner with this spoolie. So I'm gonna just clean up this spoolie really quick with a paper towel and go in to fix the one I did with the liner by kind of like spooling it out. See, it's already like, it's like still soft and pliable, but it's like gross, like, and now I've like, you know, gotten it all over again. Like if it's touching your skin, it's very obviously white, right? It just, it looks like I put glue on my face. And I feel like this is as good as I can get it. Like I could put a powder on it, you know, but I don't think that is going to help anything. I really truly do not. And to see how this makeup stands on its own, this is kind of where we're at, you know? Like, and no one should be spending more than like 5 minutes on their eyebrows anyway. It's like, what do you want from me, you know? Oh, see, and if so if I touch it with my hand, it smears. I don't know if this is meant to dry at some point. It stays wet in the case. So I don't know if this is meant to dry on my eyebrows at some point. As far as wear feels, it's sticky. It's very sticky and it's oily, and I really don't like the way my eyebrows feel right now. I'll back up from the camera for a second so you can kind of see what it looks like from far away. I've gotta say, this doesn't really achieve... Look at how clumpy and weird it is. It's gross. It feels gross. It wears gross. I don't think it looks like a bleached brow. If you're trying to achieve some kind of making out with a clown look, this might be for you. I'm not judging. To each their own. No kink shaming here, but I'm not really feeling this. It's kind of awful. And I've put it on once before to test it, and I felt the same. I did try a little bit harder with my technique on this one. I don't think there's much to save in this. I truly believe you will have a better time achieving this look using different methods to get a bleached brow look, or just bleaching your eyebrows. We all know that drag queens came up with a really great way to seal down your eyebrows and make them look like they're not there, using glue stick and baking. Like, you're definitely better off using a method like that if you're going for a bleached or no brow look, because this is not it. And I don't even want to know what it's like on someone with a darker complexion. Like, I am pale, and it looks bad on me. Like, if you have darker eyebrows and a darker complexion, like, this is probably going to look awful on you. Let's give this product a rating, okay? Out of 10, I'm going to give the Creator Revolution Bleach Brow Pomade a 4. Like, this... I could see that you could, like, do some things with this, maybe, but no. Like, I would be better off, personally, putting white concealer in my eyebrows. It would look better than this. I might even do a comparison on that later, who knows. But, like, I feel like you could achieve a better look on your own with products you already have at home. I don't think this is worth your money. I don't think you should be spending money on this. If you've purchased it and you have the chance to return it, I would. If you haven't used it yet, I would not recommend buying this product. Funnily enough, when I was in the store, I Googled reviews of this while I was in the store to try and see what other people had said before I even bought it, and I couldn't find anything right off the bat. So hopefully this video serves as some kind of review for you to look at and decide if you want to purchase this product or not. If you want to try it, by all means, go for it. But I'm not looking good right now. This is not looking good. And this would not encourage me to want to bleach my eyebrows either, because it looks nothing like that. So yeah, I don't recommend purchasing this product. Sorry, Makeup Revolution, but this is kind of a miss. I have seen that a lot of their other products do pretty well, you know, like there's some stuff that people really like, but then there's other things that people absolutely hate. And the fact that they weren't willing to show this product in use on their own TikTok is kind of telling. If there's things from this brand that you really enjoy, feel free to drop those in the comments below, because I'd be happy to check those out too. I did buy an eyeshadow palette from them once, and I really didn't like that. So this is only like the second or third thing I've gotten from them, and this is a bust as well, and I'm pretty disappointed. So if there is a product by them that you like, drop it down below for me to check out. And if there's other products by them that you hate, do the same. By all means, we're here to communicate about trash products and makeup for today. So that is something that we are doing. I welcome it. So yeah, if you were looking to buy this product for yourself or purchase it as a gift for somebody, I do not recommend doing that. That is certified Sheriff Bananas tell-all. Don't get this trash product. I guess I'll leave you with the question, would you go out in public like this? Would you go out in public like this? Looking like I do right now? Because I'm not trying to go out in public like this. I got some more YouTube videos to record today, so I'm going to be wiping this off and redoing that part of my makeup so that I don't look like I just, you know, motorboated a clown. Anyway, that concludes our makeup review for today. If you found this video informative and helpful in making your purchase decision on this product or not, feel free to leave a comment down below or like and subscribe, whatever. It's up to you. I'm Sheriff Bananas, and I will see you next time. Maybe. Please come back. I miss you. I'm so lonely.